this new video on AI and machine learning. In this video, I actually came across a very cool library called as DeepFace in DeepFace and decided to make a video for you guys so that you get to know like how awesome this library is. So this is the GitHub page of DeepFace, and what we are going to do in this video is that we will be using DeepFace to detect emotions out of image as well as video. So before doing that, let's see what the DeepFace library claims. So this is DeepFace GitHub page, so you can check this out. I'll put the link in the description below. And since I like this very much, I'll also put a star mark to it. Deepface is a light face recognition and facial attribute analysis, age, gender, emotion, race, etc. framework for Python. It is a hybrid face recognition framework wrapping state-of-art models like VGG Face, Google FaceNet, OpenFace, Google, Facebook DeepFace, DeepID, etc., etc. So what all things you can do with DeepFace is that you can do facial recognition, is that you can identify whether two images of or faces are same or not. Then you can also do the same for multiple faces. Then you can do embeddings of images. Also, if you see, you can do facial attribute analysis, whether the face is happy, sad, what's the age, what's the emotion, what's the gender, and what's the race and all, everything you can do with DeepFace. So this is what at least they claim on their GitHub. And now let's try to see what I have for you guys. So enough of talking. Let's try to run DeepFace and let's try to detect some emotions in images and videos with DeepFace. So first of all, we need DeepFace in our system, right? So for that, I'm just installing DeepFace here in my collab notebook. So pip install DeepFace. Then since my drives, like the photos and videos are on my drive, so I will take it on the drive. So firstly, I'll be trying deep face on this image. So this is an image of a girl who is smiling, right? So let me first show you the girl's image. Okay, so this is the girl, and she is like smiling. So now from deep face, we'll be importing the deep face class. Then deepface.analyze, we pass the image path and then enforce detection equal to true. So it will try to analyze what actions are there in the image. Okay, so it's done. So now if we just pull out the variable, so we get that the emotions, like what all emotions are dominant in the image we get. Okay, it shows the dominant image is happy, so that is true, right? The girl is actually laughing. Then which part it found the dominant emotion, then what's the age it finds, like what might be the age of this girl. So it says 31, which also looks true to be. Then the gender, obviously it's a woman, so 99% it's a woman. Then along with that, dominant gender is woman. The race, okay, the race, it finds out that dominant race is white, it claims. So that might not be true, but still, it's a fair enough comparison, right? We get a lot of things which were very, very true. All right. So just we just get the dominant emotion out of it. So the dominant emotion is happy, and the score is 99.52. So we are 99.52% sure that this image is of a happy image. Now let's try to do the same with videos. So firstly, I will just show you the video that I have. So this is the video. So let me play the video for you. So this is a 4-second video of a girl laughing. All right. So now let's try to analyze this video. So we'll load the video using CV2 again, initialize the deepface library, and then we open a result emotion list, empty list, and then while loop it out, iterate it over the entire frame, convert it to RGB color, to from BGR to RGB. Then we use the deepface analyzer and detect the emotions out of it. Whatever emotion it gets in every frame, that is appended to the result emotion list that we just declared here. Alright. And once that is done, we will capture each and every emotion from each and every frame of this video. Let's say the video is for 4 seconds and we have 30 frames per second. So it is going to analyze 120 frames in total because the video is 4 seconds and every second has 30 frames, right? So 30 into 4 is 120. So it will analyze 120 frames. So let's wait till this entire thing gets complete. Okay, so the analysis on every frame is complete. Now we just check if the result emotion list has all the frames emotion. So yeah, it has it. And so if we check the mode of it, so it shows that happy is the most dominant emotion out of it. But if you want to see how much is the value count of each and every emotion, so we just have this collection module in Python. Using that you can check. So it shows again happy has the most number of frames are happy, right? 116 frames out of total are happy. So if we try to see it in terms of percentage, it shows that 58% of frames are happy. So we can say that the video itself is a happy emotion video. Cool, right? So this is what you can do with DeepFace. So there are many other things that you can do with DeepFace, but in this video, emotion detection was one of the things that I wanted to show you. So, what all other things you can do with DeepFace if you have tried out this repository? So, let me know in the comment section below. I hope that this video has added some value to your learning journey. So, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, see you next time.